Hello guys, welcome to our channel Mystic Tarot World. Today we are going to do a love reading for Capricorns. Let's see what's happening in their love life. Please remember, it is a general love reading. It won't resonate with just everyone out there. So just keep that in mind. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel and please like the video too. Okay, let's see what's happening for Capricorns. What's happening for Capricorns in their love life? What's happening for Capricorns in their love life throughout November? What's happening for Capricorns in their love life? What's happening for Capricorns in their love life? Okay, Ace of Pentacles. This might be your energy, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. What more do we have for Capricorns in the month of, okay, Six of Wands, Two of Swords. What more do we have for Capricorns? Six of Swords. This is Aries, Leo, Sag. This is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is also Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. This is an Aquarian energy. Maybe you're dealing with an Aquarian specifically. What more do we have for Capricorns? Three of Cups. Page of Pentacles. Seven of Pentacles. Wow. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces and Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the overall energy is Eight of Swords. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. See, for the overall month, the theme I'm seeing is, the first thing which caught my attention are all these pentacles I'm seeing here. Quite possible you're going to get a lot of money. You're going to receive a lot of gifts or monetary gains in the month of November. Okay, you might also receive some good news in the month of November. Okay, something for which you were waiting for from a very long time. Some results, regarding to job, regarding to business, foreign travels, PR, whatever you were waiting for, you're going to receive a good news. You want victory. You want I think most of you are thinking very rationally these days, not emotionally. Okay, you want to succeed badly, like really badly. You're waiting for some sort of recognition from someone. Maybe you're waiting for promotion and finally you're going to receive that. You're going to receive a good news that you are being considered for a promotion, for a salary hike, for a foreign travel, for a training, whatever it might be. Okay. Someone is going to help you money wise, or you're going to receive a lot of money, gifts, or overall monetary gains I'm seeing here. Also here with this Three of Cups, I'm seeing you're going to have a good time with your family. After a long period of time, you are going to meet a lot of your relatives, your old friends. You're going to have good time. You're going to celebrate. Maybe you're going to be a part of you're going to visit someone's wedding, your brother, sister, some family member, any of your friends. So November is going to be, or going into the December, you're going to celebrate. You're going to attend some parties and events and celebrations. Okay. I'm also seeing you are walking away from something. You had this confusion. You had this conflict going on in your mind about some situation. It might be a job situation. It might be a love situation. And you are finally deciding to keep both the swords and just walk away. Okay, you're deciding something, coming up with a decision and walking away from something. Or maybe someone is walking away from you. Maybe you led someone into a confusing state of mind and they are walking away from you finally. But don't worry, I'm not seeing anything bad happening as such. Okay, because the star card is here, and I think you, in spite of what not might be going into your life or your mind and your heart, you'll be very hopeful. Okay, good things are coming up for you. Whatever you're losing, you're getting something better instead of that. You're going to definitely receive very good news in the month of November, going into the December too. You'll be very practical. You will think about what you want, what your needs are. Okay. Something that was lost will be found. See, Seven of Pentacles going towards the Page of Pentacles. You were finding something, finding balance, or you lost someone in the past and they are coming back. You will get something. You will find something that was long lost. Okay. If someone left you for a third party situation, they were in confusion whether to choose you or to choose them, they will choose you. Okay, they are going to choose you. They are going to come back, and you are going to finally feel that everything is under your control now. Okay, Capricorns, with this Eight of Swords, if you had some sort of misunderstanding about some person in your life, your partner, or your partner had some misconceptions or misunderstandings about you, you're going to finally come out of that. You're finally going to just remove these blindfolds and come out of that confusion and conflict, whatever it was. Okay, let's clarify this. What is this Eight of Swords? I would advise you not to trust anyone blindfoldedly in the month of November, also going towards December. Don't trust anyone without, having proper knowledge about the situation. Or even don't misunderstand about anyone without properly knowing the situation. Okay, so you must know the ins and outs of the situation. What is this Eight of Swords about? You might also feel that you gave a lot of attention, efforts, time, love, whatever you had, or even financially you invested into something and it didn't come out quite good. You did not get anything out of it. Okay, waste of time. Maybe you were working on a project and you did not even get credit about it. Okay, and you will feel as if you are being cheated, you are being used. Okay, in a work situation especially. But going towards December, you will be noticed, you will be rewarded. Okay, what is this Eight of Swords about, please? Yeah, Four of Swords. I think you were expecting a relationship to be stable, to go towards stability. You felt as if this relationship is going to be the best relationship of your life. You were going to marry this person. You had dreams about marrying this person, but that did not happen, and you will feel quite used and cheated, and like someone did not do something that you were expecting out of them. Okay, but don't worry, in December you're definitely going to get something better. What is this Two of Swords about? Yeah, Seven of Swords, clarifying the Two of Swords. I think definitely you were expecting the grass was greener on the other side, or your person was expecting that the grass was greener on the other side, so they left you, or you left them for someone else, and now you are left with nothing. The person you were expecting to be the best person of your life did not give you anything, and now you are returning back to this person, or your person is returning back to you, but you don't feel like accepting this person because they left you in the first place. Why did they leave you in the first place? What is the Six of Swords? Someone is returning, definitely returning back to your life. After a long period of not talking to you, after a long period of no contact, separation, they took their decision, they took their time and all, they took their space, and now they are coming back with a decision. What is this Three of Cups about? What is this Three of Cups about for Capricorns? Yeah, definitely I think if this was a third party situation, either from your side or from your partner's side, I think someone wants to move forward with you. They are moving forward, they are coming back, they want forward movement with you. With this Chariot, this is a Cancer energy, and they did not find that peace of mind, that stability, that love they were expecting. They did not get it anywhere, so they are coming back. Maybe you are returning back to someone after a third party situation, after putting this person into a third party situation. What is the Seven of Pentacles about? Yeah, you are going to get rewarded. Whatever you put your energy and efforts into, whatever you put your life into, your sweat and blood into, you're going to get rewarded. Okay, don't worry, universe is on your side. You're definitely going to get what you are, you will get your well deserved reward. What is this Page of Pentacles about, please? Yeah, I told you, when you or your person got into a third party situation, or got the other person into the third party situation, there was nothing good at the other end. the grass wasn't greener on the other side. Maybe they cheated you. Maybe if your person was went into a third party situation, their third party situation cheated them, and they feel no good. Okay, they feel lost and defeated. Someone is coming back, someone is planning to come back. See, 2 of Wands, 3 of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sag energy. Someone is definitely planning to come back, returning back. Okay, 8 of Cups, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So this is a major realization happening on their end. They're manifesting you. This person is manifesting you. There is a lot of attraction I can see here within you. Okay, so wow, beautiful. Let's see what's coming up from the oracles. What's coming up for Capricorn? What's coming up for Capricorns, please? What's coming up for Capricorns? What's coming up for Capricorns, please? Okay. Yeah, loyal heart. They are returning defeated, and now they want to be loyal to you. Now they want to dedicate to you. So you're dealing with someone who is loyal, who is dedicated, who is honest. Okay. But maybe they were dealing, in the past they were conflicted, and they did not choose you over the other person. Okay. A change in the wind. I told you. Someone was moving in the opposite direction, and now they feel coming back to you. Or you were moving in the opposite direction, and now you want to go back to the old person. So yeah, situations are going to change. There is a change in the wind. Be ready for this. What more do we have? I just want one more card for Capricorns. What's coming up for Capricorns? Breathe. You need to really heal. Take time for yourself. Don't overdo yourself. Don't overthink. Don't put yourself into a conflicting situation. Don't overthink about anything. Everything is just going to be fine. You have to be calm. Okay, that is the need of the time. Let's see what's coming up for you, Capricorns, in the month of November from my handwritten messages. What's coming up for Capricorns? I want 5 messages. Okay, we have many of them. Okay, we have 5 cards. For Capricorns, first is the on and off situation. So if you were put into an on and off situation, this person you were dealing with was very on and off, it will resolve now in the month of November going towards December. Many of you are into a long distance relationship, and these relationships are very difficult to handle in many cases. So that is why you were dealing with in an on and off situation. Healing, you need healing. I told you. You need to breathe, you need to heal, you need to come out of a chaos, okay, and a conflict. Job change, maybe you are focusing more. I told you, you are focusing on to you're finding new jobs, or you're focusing more on shifting, okay, in your workspace. Meditation, please meditate. You're going to definitely find answers through meditation. Okay, so this was it for Capricorns. I hope you liked the reading. If you did, please hit the like button. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing my channel. See you in next video.